Huh? Live? You sure? All right. What day is it? Happy Thursday, everybody. We are still at the shop, knocking some stuff, getting ready for tomorrow, getting ready for some projects. Today, I wanted to talk about tools. What tool brand is the best? If you're a homeowner, if you're a DIYer, we got a ton of messages the other day about our carpentry van, so I want to kind of tour that, show you guys what kind of tools we use, why we use them. There's a very important reason why we chose a particular brand, but I'll get into that in just a little bit. Before, if you guys have any questions about any projects that you guys have up and coming, if you have any remodeling projects for your house, if you're looking to buy a house or you recently purchased a home and you'd like to get it remodeled before you move in, that's the best time to do it. Please give us a call. You can reach us on Facebook or on our website, canopyunlimited.com, or facebook.com/canopyunlimited. So we're at the shop. We do all of our work obviously with tools. Most of the stuff that we've been using recently, maybe in the last 2-3 years or so, has been battery operated. The technology with the battery operated tools has just been phenomenal over the last couple of years. And we've gone from corded to cordless. When you're in the field in particular, the flexibility of just being able to grab a tool and go, it far exceeds the power that you need and the consistency that you need. My cameraman's Thomas today. He's it's been a long day for him, so pardon if he bumps into stuff here and there. What tools are better and why? Corded versus cordless. There are some tools that you just you cannot bypass having them being corded, but you would be surprised that nowadays you can have table saws, miter saws, all being battery operated. So let me give you a small tour of our carpentry truck, how we have it loaded up, and explain to you why we chose one particular brand and if you should too. So follow me. All right. All right. So come on, hop on in. Okay. So we like the black and yellow. We're the black and yellow gang. We like DeWalt tools. So why did we choose DeWalt tools? Is it the best brand? Absolutely not. The reason why we went with DeWalt, well, we think it's one of the best brands, and it's definitely the best brand, but there are some tools where other brands might be, they might have a better miter saw, they might have better nail guns, finish guns. But we chose the DeWalt platform more than anything because 5-10 years ago when we were first starting out, we had to make a choice, and batteries are the more expensive aspect of the tool. So if you have, over here we have, all of our, we have oscillating tools, we have vacuums. We pretty much go set up. They just came out with a pretty neat sander, cordless sander. So that's pretty cool. So basically, short answer on what tool brand you should buy, and it's basically any. That's the real answer. Nowadays, Makita, Milwaukee, DeWalt, Ridgid, Ryobi. Ryobi is more so catered to homeowners. The power and the ruggedness of Ryobi, I would say, is probably more so for geared towards homeowners. But if you're somebody who's an avid DIYer, definitely any brand is good. But the consistency of buying the same brand over and over is what is important. You'll save a lot of time. You'll save, they have charging. So here's our charging station for our DeWalt batteries, for example. We take this charger out. It also serves as a generator. So you plug in not only can you plug in and charge 4 batteries at the same time, but after all 4 batteries are charged, you can use it as a generator. So that is very convenient. And so we charge all of our batteries, and we mix and match our batteries with the different tools that we use, and that far exceeds choosing one brand over another and mixing and matching brands. You're going to end up spending far more money on batteries and chargers, and when your batteries die, maybe having 1 or 2 batteries of one brand, 1 or 2 batteries of another, and it's just going to become, you know, kind of like a mess and just not very efficient. So the short answer is definitely stay consistent with one brand only. You're gonna, you know, you're going to be able to use the platform a lot better by sticking with one brand. So what brand do you start off with? And now if I were to start all over again, what I would do is I would choose the one brand that has that one specialty tool that the other brands don't have, and I would start with that one. So there are a couple of tools that, you know, obviously we love woodworking and we need some specialty tools. That's probably the one that, you know, there isn't one that comes to mind right now because we probably have the whole collection at the wall. But I would probably pick that one specialty tool, stick with that one, and buy tools, you know, to stick with that. So this is basically our carpentry van. I want to show you some pretty cool tools that DeWalt, for example. Oh, here's another thing. More often than not, tool brands don't sell battery and tools. So they'll only sell the tool only. They have kits, for example, that are mostly consist of your 5 general tools. It'll be your circular saw, reciprocating saw, impact drill, driver, and your drill. And every other specialty tool will be a tool only. So that's another reason why you want to just kind of stay consistent, because you'll have your kit of initial batteries and then tool only. So, you know, this is a battery operated miter saw. It's a 60 volt battery, you know, so we're covered with batteries there. This one happens to come with batteries. This is a battery operated 120 volt miter saw, so we're covered with batteries there. This comes with 2 batteries. This is a 60 volt smaller miter saw, comes with 1 battery, so we're covered there. So we're pretty much covered with all the batteries we need. Now, any additional tool that DeWalt comes out with, we can buy the tool only brand, and you know, they range about $100 a piece, instead of, you know, going out and getting another tool brand. That brand will be tool only. You'll have to end up buying a kit to get the battery, or end up spending about $150 or $200 on a battery and charger. So it's almost double the cost. So that is my tip of the day. Again, if you guys have any questions, if you guys have any upcoming projects, please feel free to give us a call. We would love to help you on your next home remodeling project. So hope you guys enjoyed our tip, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Take it easy.